Let me show you how we can fix the clock app not working properly on the now bar on the Samsung Galaxy A37. So if you can see the clock app on the now bar, but you cannot really manage it, so if there's like a timer or stopwatch running and you cannot really control it, in order to solve this issue, we need to open settings. Now over here in settings, we're going to proceed to notifications, and then in here we can go to the hide content while locked. So here's the first thing. If the content of lock screen notifications is hidden, if all the content is hidden, then you will not be able to manage some apps, if not all of these apps on the now bar. So what you need to do is either you need to show the content or you need to make exceptions for individual apps. So in this case, since we are talking about the clock app, we can go to app notification settings instead. And if we go to the clock app in here, you want to make sure that the content in here is set to show always. So if the default option is hide when locked, you want to make sure that it is actually shown for the clock app. Of course, make sure that live notifications option here is also enabled. Without it, you might not be able to see the clock app at all in the now bar. So now that we have this option enabled, if we go to the lock screen, you will see that now we can actually control the app. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.